Ever wished you could make a specific part of your video less noticeable? Today, we're diving into CapCut PC to master selective blurring, preserving privacy and even adding some creative flair. First things first, open CapCut on your PC and import the video you want to edit. Drag your clip onto the timeline below. Now, let's find the section of the video where you need to apply a blur. Use the playhead to navigate to the exact frame where you want the blur to begin. Once you've found your starting point, it's time to split the clip. Hover your mouse over the playhead and click on the split icon, which looks like a pair of scissors. You'll see your clip is now divided. Now, move the playhead to the point where you want the blur to end and split the clip again. This isolates the exact segment you want to blur. With the specific section selected, head over to the Effects option located in the top menu bar. In the Effects panel, look for the blur category and choose a blur effect that suits your needs. The mosaic blur is a popular choice for censoring information, but feel free to experiment with others. Drag and drop your chosen blur effect directly onto the isolated clip on your timeline. You'll immediately see a blur applied to the entire segment. But we want to blur part of it, right? Select the blurred clip on your timeline now. Go to the Video tab on the right-hand side of your screen. You'll see a mask option here. Click on it. CapCut offers different mask shapes: rectangular, circle, or even a custom brush. Choose rectangular for most common scenarios. Now, on your video preview, you'll see a bounding box for the mask. You can adjust the size and position of this box to cover only the specific area you want to blur. Click and drag the edges or the center of the box to refine its placement. If you need more precise control, you can adjust the feather setting in the Video tab to soften the edges of your blur, making it blend more seamlessly. To make the blur follow a moving object, select the mask clip, and in the Video tab, you'll find animation options. Click the keyframe icon next to the mask position and size. Move the playhead forward and adjust the mask to keep it over your subject. And there you have it. You've successfully blurred a specific part of your video in CapCut PC. You can do this for any section, any video. Happy editing.